My name is Mark Taylor. I'm co-owner of Rocky Mountain Rotors here in Bozeman, Montana. The very first time I had heard about the Bell 505 was through Greg Maitland. He's a sales rep for Bell helicopters in our area. He knew that we were kind of looking at a light turbine helicopter, and that helicopter was the one I was looking at was the Robinson R66. And we had a Bell Jet Ranger, a B3 model. That was a great ship. We only had 1,700 total time hours on that machine, and great machine. It was just a little bit underpowered for the mountains that we were flying in to where I could load it up, and the R44 was really competing with that helicopter. The 505 is very diversified, so search and rescue has turned into be a big one for this helicopter. It doesn't cost as much to operate as our Long Ranger or the Bell 407GX. So we can go out a little bit less expensive. We've got a hook on ours, so it's been a great little utility ship. If somebody calls and maybe they're on a budget and they're not trying to break the bank, 505 can lift quite a little bit. We've done multiple high altitude lifts with this machine. 2 winters ago, the job was to move the group and the cargo on a long line to Delta Lake. Delta Lake sits right about 9,000 feet. We were packing 750-pound loads up to 9,100. Helicopter did great. It's the first time I ever got into touching a full left pedal, but that was only when the wind started. We knew that we were right there about the max that it could do. I still had power remaining. We were not pulling a 5-minute max in that helicopter to do that load. To get that Delta Lake job down there in the Tetons, there was a company out of Salt Lake City that was running an A-Star, and they had put numbers a bid in to get that job. The 505 came in less than their A-Star did, and we were able to secure the work.